Consistency is very important kung gusto nating magtagumpay. Because success is the sum of all small efforts repeatedly done day in and day out. Because success does not happen overnight. It's actually the result of consistent, continuous action. Kasi if we are consistent, it transforms the average result into an excellent result. Being consistent in our efforts can elevate our results. Kumbaga, if you want to do uh, great things or extraordinary things, dapat gawin mo yon everyday, paulit-ulit. Because small disciplines repeated with consistency every day lead to greater achievements. Regular small actions, when sustained over time, can definitely create long-term success. Kaya if you want to be successful, you have to be consistent.